Okay, good morning, and discussing about the missing element in the CSV file after converting to a Pandas data frame. And that actually, normally we have two types of missing. One is that you got a dash here. Remember that it did column C in the first row. Remember that. And the other is actually missing. Normally, the two types of scenario, and we'll see how we do it. Now, first of all, we have a dash. Then you run it, you read it from the CSV file, and then you get the data frame, and we test it, the data frame, whether the column C, the first row, is a dash. If yes, I print out the blank cell there. If not, it's not a blank cell. So it is it. We got it from this with the dash here, and the blank cell is C1. But sometimes, unfortunately, that we have this one. Actually, the missing. You see it again, the missing element. There's one element that's missing there. Then pandas will not give you a dash, but rather it would give you an NaN. The NaN here is column C. It's not a blank cell. It's the one there. So this kind of decision was wrong. Now what can I do? Can I say NaN here? No, it will give you an error. Okay, let's just give you an error. Can I give it here? It's not a blank cell. No, that's not good. Okay, it's really blank. So this again wrong. How can I do it? Then I discover a certain way. You converted the string. Then it's okay. NaN, now it's a blank cell. Then how can I combine the two cases into one testing statement? That's the way though. Just like that. This means that I can test the string whether it's NaN. This means that regardless whether you are space or NaN, this condition will be correct. NaN, the blank cell, okay? Go back to this file. It's a dash, again at the blank cell. So this in statement is very powerful in Python. For other language, you may say, okay, then you have to do it like this. Anyway, df equal to dash or f equal to NaN. That's quite complicated. Yeah, it works. But in Python, normally we can do it much easier to have the in statement, okay? And I love the in statement too much. Okay, that is IPython tester. Suppose that A equals to dash, and I can test A in NaN. It's true, okay? Now suppose that A is NaN, then I test it again. A in NaN, that's also true. And suppose that A is a blank, and say A equal to NaN dash, also, okay, sorry, wrong. A in NaN dash, also true. This means that for such a simple statement, you can test three conditions, that is A equal to dash, or A equal to, empty space, or A equal to dash, or A equal to NaN. all of them would be true. Okay. Okay. Dash. NaN. Okay. For I and main. Print I and NaN. Yeah, all of them true. Okay. So, in conclusion, we have using Pandas is really an excellent tool in Python, but when Pandas read a CSV file or read an Excel file, whatever, you have several conditions that you may have a dash or NaN and or space, and you can use the symbol test, whether that is the empty cell. Okay, thank you again for listening to this sharing experience in Python and Pandas and Emacs, and hope to talk to you later again. Thank you. Bye.